We'll be recalling 48.
Bronze Smooth Foxtrot, first round.
48 from 3, judges.
Anything from Michigan in this?
Let me see.
Stop recording. That line for Michigan kids.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me.
There are no Michigan couples competing in this round in any of the Bronze Smooth Foxtrots, so I'm not going to record it because I'm a rebel like that.